pumpkin. Red and green.
So many colors. What's your favorite color, Finn?
Green.
Once we get the plastic off, then we have to shake them up. Let's shake it up.
Hey kids,
We're shaking up paint.
we shaking up paint.
Shake. Today we are painting pumpkins.
Painting pumpkins.
How many pumpkins do we have, Finn?
9.
9 pumpkins. 9 pumpkins.
We can paint them.
Oh, do you want to paint them like animals or paint them like trees?
How about planets?
Planets?
Yeah.
Well, let's see. We have 9 pumpkins. How many planets can we paint?
8.
What do we do with the other one?
The sun.
The sun?
Yeah, it's yellow one.
Here is your Mercury pumpkin. Wow. Look at this Mercury pumpkin.
Mercury pumpkin.
It's the smallest one. See?
What's my pumpkin?
All right, bud. Now that you've got your
Let's do
pumpkin,
Let's do this one.
the small one, can I help you with your pumpkin?
Yeah.
Mercury right over there.
This is next planet.
Mercury's got its base coat. Maybe we can add more craters after it dries.
Right, this one. And this guy.
It is?
Yeah.
Whoa.
And then probably these cups.
Those ones? Okay. Bring them on over. We'll just turn this around and then you can get to that point. Hey! You need to wash your brush?
Yeah, my brush. Then get to white.
Blip! Wow, wow.
It's all done.
Okay, let me move it.
And then next the third one from her. Use this here.
Let me get some clean water and I'll be right back.
Okay.
You want to pick out the paints for Earth?
Yeah.
Why don't you go grab those paints?
Okay. Earth looks pretty good.
Looks pretty good.
Sure.
What's our next one?
Mars.
I thought this one was Mars.
Okay. Yeah. This one.
Which one's Jupiter? Which is the biggest one?
This one.
Okay.
We need the water paint.
Do you want to use one of these to make a spot? Or a paintbrush?
There we go.
All right.
Yours done.
Jupiter's done.
Now.
Pattern. Oh.
Saturn is why this red? Like a red on Mars. Saturn done next one. Goodness. Get over here. Where's it? Let's move on to the next one.
Okay, move on to the next planet.
Let's move on. That looks good.
Looks pretty good.
Let's move. Oh no. Let's wash my brush. Oh no. I got it.
Which one?
Yeah.
Oh, the sun. Here you go. Center of the solar system. They look amazing.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune.
Hey! High five. Oh, look at our hands. Oh, they're so messy.
Spiky, bye. Thanks for watching. Okay, play later.
Good job, Margie. You did great.